Welcome to our tutorial on using the EA mobile app. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started with the app and maximizing its features for seamless trading on the go. Once you have downloaded the EA Converter from the App Store or website, locate and tap on the app icon to launch it. The app will open to the login screen, where you'll need to sign in using your existing EA Converter account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Simply create a new account within the app by filling in the required information, Mentor ID, and your email address. If Mentor ID is not required, simply enter your email address and proceed to the next step. Upon launching the app, you will be directed to the subscription page, where you can subscribe to gain access to the full functionality of the trading app. Choose the subscription plan that suits your needs, whether it's a monthly, quarterly, or yearly option, and proceed with the payment process. Once your subscription is confirmed, you'll now have full monthly access to the powerful mobile app. As a subscriber with access to the mobile app, you now have the privilege to request a license key from your mentor. The license key is a unique code that grants you permission to use specific trading robots and tools on the app. Reach out to your mentor and request the license key associated with the trading robot you wish to deploy on your account. They will provide you with the key, which you'll need to activate and enable the trading robot on the app. On the app's login screen, select the option to log in with your MT5 details. You'll be prompted to enter your MT5 account number and the corresponding password associated with that account. This will be the account the trading EA will trade on. After providing your MT5 account credentials, select the appropriate server from the list. The server is specific to your broker or trading platform, so make sure to choose the correct one to ensure a successful connection. With the license key in hand, navigate to the Add New Trading Robot section within the app. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the license key provided by your mentor. Once you've successfully entered the key, the trading robot associated with that license will be activated on your mobile app. As a subscriber with access to the mobile app, you now have the privilege to request a license key from your mentor. The license key is a unique code that grants you permission to use specific trading robots and tools on the app. Reach out to your mentor and request the license key associated with the trading robot you wish to deploy on your account. They will provide you with the key, which you'll need to activate and enable the trading robot on the app. After successfully entering the license key, the Trading EA Expert Advisor, provided by your mentor, will now appear in your mobile app. You'll be able to see the name of the Trading EA and the details of the mentor who provided it. Select the Trading EA you wish to use from the list. Once you've chosen the EA, you can customize various trading settings to tailor it to your preferences. Trading instrument symbols, choose the specific financial instruments, currency pairs, commodities, etc. you want the EA to trade. Lot size, set the desired lot size or position size for each trade. This allows you to control the risk and position your trades accordingly. Direction, specify the trading direction, buy or sell, or let the EA trade in both directions, depending on your strategy. Platform, select the MT5 trading account on which you want the EA to execute trades. Finally, when you are ready to start trading, simply press the Start button. The EA will then begin executing trades based on the predefined strategy and parameters.